In this video, we're going to show you how to fix FPS drops or stuttering on Counter-Strike 2. Alright, so we are now in the game. So what you want to do is click on settings here on the upper left corner, like so. And then go to game. And under game, look for enable developer console. This is default no. So just click on yes, right? And then what you want to do next is click on the console key here. It's the key under escape, and just type in net underscore graph base 1 and click on that, right? And this will appear and you will pretty much be sorted out. And after that, you just need to like go and check for the video and go to advanced video and just, you have to know your system's limits. So, customize your settings, especially your video settings for that. So to keep, avoid the stuttering. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.